Almost 94% of car drivers have never come across the kind of tricks I'm about to walk you through. Some of these save you hundreds of dollars on repairs. Others, the repair shop would honestly prefer you never find out about. Here are 8 brilliant car hacks that actually work. Let's get into it. Hack 1. Dryer sheet dashboard anti-static. Your dashboard is coated in dust that reappears within a day of cleaning it. No matter what you spray on it, a full interior detail runs $80 to $150. Here's what almost nobody tries. Take a used dryer sheet from your laundry room and wipe it directly across your dashboard, door panels, and console. The anti-static agents in the dryer sheet neutralize the electrical charge in the plastic that attracts dust in the first place. Your dashboard stays visibly cleaner for weeks instead of days. A box of dryer sheets costs $4 and refreshes your entire interior dozens of times. Here's what they don't tell you. Dashboard dust isn't really about dirt, it's about static electricity pulling particles out of the air, and normal cleaners do nothing to stop that cycle. Here's the kicker. This same trick works on your steering wheel and center console to cut down on constant fingerprint smudging. Detailers sell dust-repelling interior treatments for a premium. A used dryer sheet does the same job for free. One rule: skip this on textured leather trim, since fragrance additives in some dryer sheets can leave a faint residue on certain finishes. Reuse the same sheet 3 or 4 times before tossing it, since it still carries plenty of anti-static residue after just one pass. Hack 2. Lemon juice battery terminals. Your car struggles to start and you notice crusty white or blue buildup around the battery terminals. Mechanic quotes you $150 to $300 for a new battery, insisting the corrosion means it's failing. Before you agree to that, try this. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly onto the corroded terminals. Let it sit 2 minutes. The citric acid breaks down the corrosion on contact. Scrub gently with an old toothbrush. Wipe clean and reconnect your cables. A lemon costs less than $1 and cleans both terminals in under 5 minutes. Here's what they don't tell you. Corrosion buildup mimics the exact symptoms of a dying battery. Most people can't tell the difference between a dirty connection and an actual failed cell. Here's the kicker. Cleaning your terminals every 6 months prevents the corrosion from ever coming back, which means you avoid this exact situation for years. That's a battery sale that never has to happen. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, before cleaning, and reconnect it last. If your car still won't start after cleaning, that's the sign it's time for a real battery test rather than a guess. Hack 3. Newspaper windshield antifog. Your windshield fogs up every time it's cold or rainy, and it takes several minutes of blasting the defrost before you can see clearly. Detailers sell antifog treatments for $25 to $50 per application. Here's what works instead. Take a few sheets of newspaper, crumple them slightly, and rub them firmly across the inside of your windshield in circular motions. The texture and slight abrasive properties of newsprint strip away the invisible oily film that builds up on interior glass from off-gassing plastics and skin oils. That film is what humidity condenses onto, causing the fog. Remove the film and the fogging dramatically reduces. A newspaper costs next to nothing and treats your entire windshield repeatedly. Here's what they don't tell you. Fogging isn't caused by humidity alone, it's humidity condensing onto a thin film of residue already sitting on your glass. Normal cleaners move it around. The newspaper removes it. Here's the kicker. This works on your side windows and rear view mirror too, anywhere fog tends to form first. Use black and white pages rather than glossy color inserts, since glossy paper doesn't absorb the film the same way. Repeat once a month as the residue naturally builds back up over time. Hack 4. Sharpie paint chip protection. Small paint chips have started showing up along your hood or bumper from road debris. Exposed metal is now at risk of rusting, and a body shop wants $150 to $300 for touch-up paint matching an application. Here's an emergency fix that actually protects the metal while you wait. Find a permanent marker that closely matches your car's paint color and carefully color directly into the exposed chip, covering the bare metal completely. Let it dry. The ink seals the exposed surface and prevents oxygen and moisture from reaching the metal underneath, stopping rust before it starts. A marker costs $2 and can treat dozens of small chips. Here's what they don't tell you. The real danger of a paint chip isn't the cosmetic look, it's the rust that forms underneath if left exposed. This trick addresses that immediately. Here's the kicker. This buys you months of protection until you can get proper touch-up paint at a fraction of the cost of an emergency body shop visit. Apply a second thin coat once the first dries completely. Keep a closely matched marker in your glove box. Chip color can vary slightly depending on how the paint has faded in sunlight. Hack 5. Aluminum foil headlights. Your headlights have gone cloudy and yellow, cutting your visibility at night. The auto shop wants $80 to $150 for headlight restoration. Here's what detailers do. Take a small piece of aluminum foil, crumple it into a loose ball, and dip it in water. Gently rub it over the headlight lens in circular motions for about 30 seconds. The mild abrasion from the foil lifts the oxidized top layer of plastic without scratching the lens underneath. Rinse and wipe dry, and your headlights look noticeably clearer. A roll of foil costs $2 and restores both headlights with plenty left over. Here's what they don't tell you. Headlight cloudiness is UV-damaged plastic sitting on the surface, not a problem with the actual bulb or wiring. Here's the kicker. Following up with a coat of car wax after this trick slows the yellowing from coming back for months. Keep a light touch with the foil, since pressing too hard can dull the plastic instead of clearing it. This works best as a monthly touch-up rather than a one-time fix, especially if your car sits outside in direct sun most of the day. Hack 6. WD-40. Mirror rattle. Your side mirror has started rattling or vibrating at highway speed, and the dealership wants $60 to $100 to inspect and tighten the housing. Before you book that appointment, try this. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly into the gap where the mirror housing meets its base mount. Then, gently move the mirror through its full range of motion a few times. The WD-40 penetrates the mounting joint and settles any dried out or gritty components causing the vibration. Wipe away the excess. A $5 can of WD-40 fixes mirrors all over your car. Here's what they don't tell you. Mirror rattle is almost always caused by a dry mounting joint, not a mechanical defect, and shops rarely mention that because a tightening appointment bills out at a full labor rate. Here's the kicker. This same trick works on rattling trim panels and loose interior plastic pieces throughout your cabin. That's an easy diagnostic fee eliminated with a can already sitting in your garage. Avoid spraying directly onto the mirror glass itself, since overspray can seep behind the reflective coating and cause cloudy spots. If the rattle persists after treatment, it's usually a loose mounting bolt rather than a lubrication issue. Hack 7. Coffee grounds odor absorber. Your car smells like fast food, cigarette smoke, or something you can't even identify anymore. The detailer wants $60 to $120 for an ozone treatment to neutralize it. Try this first. Fill a small open container, a bowl or a sock, with dry coffee grounds and leave it in your car overnight, ideally in the footwell or under a seat. Coffee grounds are highly porous and absorb odor molecules directly out of the air instead of just masking them with fragrance. In the morning, remove the container and your car smells noticeably cleaner. A bag of coffee grounds costs $4 and can be reused across multiple odor treatments. Here's what they don't tell you. Air fresheners only cover smells temporarily. Coffee grounds actually pull the odor-causing particles out of your cabin air. Here's the kicker. For stubborn odor, repeat the treatment 2 or 3 nights in a row rather than expecting one overnight session to fully clear it. Crack a window an inch overnight while the container sits inside. It helps circulate air through the cabin and speeds up how fast the odor lifts. Use grounds that are completely dry, since damp coffee grounds can introduce a musty smell instead of removing one. Hack 8. Cleaning slime for AC vents. Your AC vents are packed with dust and grime in every little slat, and it's nearly impossible to clean with a rag or a vacuum. The detailer wants $40 to $70 for a deep interior air vent cleaning. Here's the trick. Grab a small container of cleaning gel, sometimes sold as cleaning slime, and press it directly into your AC vents. Pull it back out slowly. The soft, tacky gel molds around every slat and edge, pulling out dust and debris that a cloth could never reach. A container costs about $6 and can clean every vent in your car repeatedly. Here's what they don't tell you. Vent dust buildup isn't just cosmetic. It restricts airflow and makes your AC work harder to push the same amount of cool air through the cabin. Here's the kicker. The same gel works on cup holders, seat seams, and gear shifter crevices, all places detailers specifically upcharge for. That's an entire detailing line item made obsolete by a $6 tub of gel. The gel stays reusable for weeks as long as you knead it back into a ball after each use and store it in an airtight container. Just avoid using it on sticky spills, since sugary residue ruins its texture permanently. 8 hacks. All of them were verified. All of them are under $10. Dryer sheet dashboard, lemon battery terminals, newspaper anti-fog, Sharpie paint chips, aluminum foil headlights, WD-40 mirror rattle, coffee grounds, odor, cleaning slime vents. Every one of these is a detail shop or mechanic line item you just eliminated from your bill permanently. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more of these, subscribe.